everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to make Nigerian egg rolls. I am Rosie and you are welcome to my kitchen. These are the eggs I will be using for this recipe. I will start by boiling the eggs and I'm using a cooker. Feel free to cook it on the stove top for about 15 to 16 minutes. I will prepare ice cold water to transfer the eggs into once the eggs are ready. This will stop the cooking process and it will make it easier to peel the eggs as well. Peel the eggs. And peeling eggs is very easy. Once you put it in ice cold water, the skin will easily peel up without sticking to the egg. I'm going to repeat this process with the rest of the eggs until I am done. Pat the peeled eggs dry with a paper towel. Once that is done, put that aside. I'm using the standard measuring cups and spoons. For the next ingredients, you will need butter, milk, eggs. In a large bowl, sift in 4 cups of flour. It's very important to sift the flour before using it. Add a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, add salt to your taste, sugar, I'm using unrefined sugar, feel free to use any sugar of your choice, and whisk all the dry ingredients together. Add the butter, and the butter is at room temperature. And mix the butter. You can use your hand. I'm using a pastry blender. Mix it till everything is well blended together. You can also use margarine as well. In another bowl, crack in 2 eggs. And I will use a spoon to pick out the shell that drop inside. It's important to always crack your eggs in a different container. Whisk the eggs together. And that is done. I'm going to be grating in some ginger, and this is optional. You can use nutmeg. You can use lemon zest, orange zest. You can just use any flavor of your choice. I like to have ginger in my egg rolls. Create a wall in the bowl. Add the eggs. I'm using pineapple flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice, and I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of that. Add milk gradually, and everything I'm using, they are at room temperature, they are not cold. Mix everything together until you get a nice dough. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. If you're using the powder milk, that means you will mix the dough with water. So I'll be taking out the spatula and I'll be working with my clean hands. So for egg rolls, the dough is going to be a little bit hard, like so. Bring the dough together. You don't over knead the dough. If not, your egg roll is going to be tough. Once that is done, cover it with a kitchen napkin and leave it just to relax for about 10 minutes. Next, add some oil in a pan to deep fry the egg rolls. For egg rolls, you need a lot of oil to fry the egg rolls, and you can use any frying oil of your choice, but not red palm oil. And prepare a basket with a paper towel to place in the egg rolls once they are out of the oil. So the dough has been resting now for about 10 minutes. So go ahead and just bring the dough together. Do not over knead the dough. And transfer the dough to a work surface. And divide the dough. I'm aiming for 12 egg rolls, so I will try to divide it into 12. Like so. Next, take a piece of the dough, flour a work surface, and then flatten it. I will use a rolling pin to flatten it like so. Pick it up and place in the boiled egg. So for egg rolls, you want to seal it very well. Just try your best to seal it very well, because egg rolls is always going to try to open in the oil, but you can prevent that by sealing it very well. I mean, some of it will still open, but not too much. I will seal it very well like so. And I will put that aside. For the next method, if you don't want to use a rolling pin, just flour your palm. Place in a piece of the dough and flatten it with your palm. Place in the boiled egg and cover it like so. Seal it very well so it doesn't open inside the oil. So if you have any excess dough, you can take that out. So the size of the egg rolls, depending on how you want it. If you want it very big, then you use more dough to wrap the egg. So here I have everything nicely rolled out, so it's time to start frying the egg rolls. I will test if the oil is hot, and to do that, I like to use a skewer. Once you see bubbles around the skewer, that means the oil is hot. You can also drop a piece of the dough to check it as well. Transfer the egg rolls inside the hot oil. Fry on medium heat until they are golden brown. So stir from time to time. So egg rolls are a little bit heavy, so it's going to be touching the bottom of the pan. You need to keep stirring it frequently so that part that touch the pan doesn't look burnt. If the oil is too hot, your egg rolls is going to fry without cooking inside. Be sure to fry on medium heat. Once they are golden brown, they are ready. I'll take them out of the oil and repeat the process with the rest. And don't forget to turn off the oil. And the egg rolls are ready. They were super delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.